Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we'll be talking about 5 of my favorite hair products. I am so excited, and you know I love me some hair products, and I'm always exploring new ones, and I am definitely always willing to share them with you. So let's start with number 1, which is black castor oil. Yes, yes, yes. This is one of my goodies that I love to add to my homemade deep conditioners, which I want you eventually to start doing them with me. And I will definitely be sharing all the ingredients to my homemade deep conditioners in future videos. So this is the black castor oil. I will be leaving the link on my description box. Okay, I will be leaving the link on my description box. I did get that in Amazon, so I will definitely have the link for you. Not all these products are from Amazon, but if I do find something similar, I'll definitely put the link below. Okay, so check it out after the video. And number 2, I definitely got from Ross. So if I find something similar, I'll do I'll put the link below. So this one is very new to my life. It's very new to my life. It's the brand Hair Teas. It says biotin and rosemary strengthening scalp oil. It smells pretty good, and this is very new to my life. Like I'm saying, like not even a week. But I love it. I love the bottle. I love the smell, and I love all the oils that it has, So I really, really love it so far. I know it's so recent, but my hair loves oils. So that's the thing. And I feel like this video is mostly oils. That's the funny part. Wow, I just realized that. Okay, so on to the next one. Coconut oil from Trader Joe's. Organic. I love putting this in my homemade deep conditioner. I love coconut oil and all the benefits it has for healthy hair, and for hair in general. So my hair loves oils. So if yours doesn't, I'm sorry. There is 2 products that are not oils today. Okay. So on to the next one is a hair wash from Trader Joe's. It is cleansing and conditioning. It's gentle and moisturizing, which we love that. And no sulfate, no silicone, and paraben free. That's very important. And yes, again, this is from Trader Joe's. And last but not least, of course, right, one of my favorites is SheaMoisture. So I definitely have to end the video with that. And this is one that I didn't even know about, and my friend came across it, and she knows that I love hair products. So she was like, "Oh, are you interested in this?" First off, because of the bottle, it's too cute. I was not saying no. And it has good ingredients in it. So of course, I'm interested. The only thing that I would warn you about, just, a warning, is that it smells like clay. This is my first time using it, and like my first time experiencing it. Yes, but I have used it already like 2 or 3 times, and yeah, it smells like clay. Let me show it to you. But I love the bottle. I love the bottle. I love it. I love it. I really, really love it. So she got it from Ross, but I'll definitely check out to see if Amazon has the link for you. Okay. So yes, let me show it to you once more. Okay, all these 5 products. Take a close look. That's number 1. This is number 2 from Trader Joe's. This is number 3 from Trader Joe's. This is the Jamaican black castor oil. Has so much benefits for the hair. Helps strengthen hair, which is important, replenishes, rejuvenates, and nourishes hair. So all of that is good stuff for the hair. And then this is a strengthening scalp oil from Ross. It has biotin and rosemary, which that's definitely what brought me to making the decision of buying it. I know that those ingredients are lovely for the hair. So here it is. And this is the 5th ingredient, or the 5th hair product. So yeah, check them out, and definitely comment below if you have checked any of these out, if you have tried them, if you're willing to try it. Comment below. I definitely want a comment section that is a safe place, positive energy. If you have any questions, let me know. Any feedback, I will appreciate all of that. So like, subscribe, and comment below. Comment below. Like, subscribe, and comment. Yes, thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.